back to my channel. And today's vlog ko po is about baking. Paano po mag-bake ng bread using a bread maker. Sadly, it's not gonna be me who's going to do the baking, yung asawa ko po. Kasi siya po yung nakakalam kung how to do it. I still don't know how. Hopefully, he will teach me how to do it. But this time, sadly, it didn't turn out to be, yung expectation. So, hopefully po, you will still enjoy yung video na ginawa ko po.
400 ml of water, okay, going into the bread maker. Himalayan salt or any other salt, iodine salt, 1 teaspoon, milk powder, skim milk or full cream, doesn't really matter, 2 tablespoons of that. Olive oil, virgin, just like me, virgin. 1. Okay, so we want 3 cups. So first I'll put 2 cups in. Cups.
That's okay.
Okay, you can see 2 cups.
I can't really see it. It's okay because I'm just gonna pause. Yeah, it should be 1.
Okay, 1 cup.
Can't see it. You won't see it here.
Then we add another 1. Okay, so another 1.
So it's a total of 3 altogether.
3 plain and 1 whole
meal.
So that's 4 cups of flour total. And you make a little well in there. And then you get your sugar. Tablespoon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, then the yeast goes in.
Have 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon.
1.5 teaspoon.
1.5.
Like.
Okay. So into here, drop it in on a slight angle. See the angle that it's on, and then you turn it in and lock it. So that's locked. Okay, so we want here, you can change the color. So we want it on medium, it's on medium, 750. Okay, so we change that to 1000. Okay, so we got medium. You can have it light or you can have dark crust. Press the start button here, start and pause, and it will start stirring the flour, the water, the oil, and it will also give off a little bit of heat, small amount of heat for the fermentation. During this process you can use a wet spatula and you can push the flour around to help stir, mixing the flour with it, the salt and the yeast. And you can also do this when it gets into a dough. You can also stir it up too.
Okay.
And I found out with these, to turn the light on, you slide your hand across and the light comes on and the inside light comes on.
Making the we just finished making the baking the bread, but it turns out a bit weird looking bread, but it does looks nice. It's brown and yeah, hopefully we will have a look.
Where are all the tea towels?
Just in the table. So we're taking it out. Do you need help? Or
You're supposed to be filming it.
yeah, it is filming.
Okay.
Ooh la la. What happened?
It overflowed.
Oh no. Oh, it's a nice bread. It's nice and fluffy, babe. But it's just a bit burned. Oh oh. Hmm. It's just a little bit burned, but it tastes really good. It is a little bit burned. It's a bit hot. We can always try again later. I'll hold this bit. Aray! Oh, oh, oh. It's hot. Do you want me to get that? Here. Here you go. And there she goes. Okay. Yeah, it just get over mixed. So, oh wow, but it's still really nice. Look at that. Oh, nice and soft. Hear that? Nice. Wow. How's that fun? Bread. There you go. It's nice and brown. Nice. That's really nice.
Wholemeal.
Yeah. That's what they say. Never judge a book by its cover. It's a nice bread. Thank you for watching.